Hello, I am Sully Conrad, where offense meets defense. One of the problems I face or have faced when I want to learn a digital skill is trying to understand the interface or trying to understand the working space, trying to understand the program itself or the tool which I'll be using in analyzing or in learning the skill. They say the best way to learn is to teach. So this video is aimed at making learners to understand what they see when they are given a program to use. For example, while doing data analysis, we use Excel. Excel is one of the programs, one of the computer tools that is used in analyzing. And I'll just explain what is here, what you are seeing in front of your screen. Before I do that, 1 minute, let me change my mouse pointer to a different color. Curve speed, no, sorry, I won't be able to do. Yes, I think we have it. Put it at pink. Yes. Okay, now at least you can see the mouse well. What I want to do is I want to show you the various parts of what you're seeing in front of you. It's called the interface. I'm using Excel 2021, where we have file, menu, home, and set is what we call the toolbar. Now if I click file, you see I have other options to save my program. I can still go back. Now apart from that, I have the quick access. This is a quick access bar, toolbar. We have undo, redo, we have save or Control S. Now if you look down here, we have what we call the name box. This name box simply means that the box that we choose here, it changes. You see you have A1 here because we have A1, we have A here, which is the column. The columns are numbered A, B, C, D, E, F, and we have the rows numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are rows and these are columns. So if I click here, B1, yes, I'm using column B, row 1, and it's shown here. I have the formula bar where I can insert the formula and affect the data here. I have the sheet tab bar, the sheet tabs. Here I can add as many sheets as I want. Sorry, please. As many sheets as I want. I can even rename it. I right click, I take rename, and I put data. Just renaming it as data. Data T. And I click enter. It changes. Apart from that, I also have what we call I also have down here, I have this small greater than and minus sign stuffs. We call them sheet tab scrolling buttons. Down there we have the status bar, and here on the right side we have what we call the view shortcuts, the zoom, and this is the view shortcuts. Like here I can change it to page layout. My work will show in such a way that I can see it in a page form. I have another form, but we always use the normal. Now under this zoom layout, I can zoom in. Look at when I zoom in, you see my work compresses. I zoom out to the normal standard 100. That's where we are, what we always use. We have the vertical scroll bar where I can scroll up and down. You see when I do that, my screen is changing up and down, up and down. What do we have again? We have the ribbon here. The whole of this place, we call it the ribbon. We have close. This X is close. We have restore down or maximize, and then we have minimize. Also here we have these tiles. We'll be using much of this to format our table, to format our cells, to conditional formatting. We'll also be using the format cells, which when you open, you click this small box here, small sign here. It shows general number, currency. You can use it in to change or to work as we'll be going. Here we have the mesh center. You see I have two. When I click here, I can type here, I can insert Mr. Banner. Sorry, Banner has to be capital B. My mentor always says that. If I type this and I put, it shows there, Mr. Banner. Now, if I highlight it, if I come here, I can change my writing to red. I can change the fill color to yellow. Are you seeing? I can change the writing to Times New Roman. Times New Roman is what I use, basically standardly used. My Form 4 teacher back then showed me I can bold my writing, I can make it italic, I can underline it. So this is for font to basically arrange my font size. Now I can join these two cells by clicking this one, clicking Control, and clicking the other cell, or I can just click this one, take Shift and the forward button, and I take merge where we are. I take merge across. This cell becomes 1. It becomes 1. So basically that is what you see when you are open an Excel sheet of 2021. Its other lower versions are the same like this, just slight changes, but I always recommend 2021. Thank you. I am Suli Conrad, where offense meets defense.